Upbeat music plays. The screen shows a split view of the two power supplies, RM850 on the left and RM650 on the right. Welcome back to another electrifying episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make power-packed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of power supplies. We're comparing the CORSAIR RM850 and the CORSAIR RM650. It's a battle of wattage and wittiness. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the power supply in the room. Price. The RM850 is priced at a shocking $139, while the RM650 is more wallet-friendly at $89. Amazon reviewers appreciate the RM650 for being a great value for the price, with users mentioning it provides stability and performance at a fair cost. Meanwhile, RM850 users also highlight its quality and reliability. If you're on a budget, RM650 might just be your best friend. Next, let's talk about modularity. Both PSUs are fully modular. The RM850 has triple EPS 1.2V connectors, making it versatile for high-end builds. Reviewers praise the RM650 for its modular design, which allows for easy installation. Users love that both power supplies allow for only connecting the cables your system needs, making them both great options for a clean build. Now, let's discuss fan noise. The RM850 boasts a 140mm rifle-bearing fan designed for minimal noise, which users have found to be quite effective. Reviewers have noted it operates quietly even at full load. The RM650, with its 120mm fan, is also praised for its quiet operation. Customers have mentioned that while it's not completely silent, it's comparable to other fans in their builds. Both are excellent for low-noise operation, but RM850 gets the gold star for being the bigger ninja. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty with capacitors. The RM850 is equipped with industrial-grade 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, which is a plus for durability. Reviewers of the RM650 also note that it has 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, emphasizing its quality and reliability. Users of both power supplies appreciate their solid performance, making them trustworthy options for any build. Lastly, let's talk certifications. The RM650 is 80 PLS Gold certified, meaning it delivers steady power output at up to 90% efficiency. Reviewers rave about this efficiency, stating it outperforms other budget brands. The RM850, while not carrying the official gold certification, is still recognized for its high quality. Both power supplies are efficient, but RM650 is officially recognized as a power supply superstar by users. Overall, the RM850 is favored for its high-quality build and performance, while the RM650 is appreciated for its affordability and efficiency. Both power supplies have received positive feedback from users, making them solid choices for different budgets. So which power supply is right for you? If you want to go big and bold, the RM850 is your powerhouse. But if you're looking to save some cash without sacrificing performance, the RM650 is here to save the day. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description.